Hi Cody, this is Pamela Woods with a demonstration of my informal table setting. I know the instructions were for semi-formal, but I could not find semi-formal outside of going on Google, and I wanted to use the materials that you provided on Canvas. So this is your informal table setting materials that you provided. The table is set with a beautiful lavender and purple centerpiece with purple gel beads and lavender and white accents with a tea light in the middle. I picked this centerpiece because I wanted something to add pizzazz to the table because the servingware and glassware is all glass and no color to it. I chose the napkin fold, which is the rose, because again, the table that I'm using is limited in space and I wanted to add some pizzazz to the table. In the real world, of course, I would have purple or lavender napkins, but I just happen to have brown, which is what I'm using for all of my demonstrations. The table is preset for 3. And I will move around to the empty spot and set the table for the 4th person. I again am challenged because I am alone and I am using the camera with one hand and I'll use my right hand to set the table. I will go ahead and place the items on the table along with the glassware. So the first glass that I'm setting is the water glass, and it's just to the upper right of the plate, and then the wine glass will go next to it. And I am going to place a pre-folded rose napkin. Trying to get the light so you can see it. There we go. A pre-folded rose napkin on the plate, and I will be placing a dinner knife to the right of the plate with the blade facing left toward the plate. I will put a teaspoon and a soup spoon to the right of the plate. Both spoons are to the right of the knife, again ensuring that the edges of the utensils are even with the bottom of the plate. I have a salad plate that I have placed to the left of the dinner plate, and then I will place the dinner fork to the immediate left of the plate, and then the salad fork, again ensuring that the bottoms of the utensils are even with the bottom of the plate. And that is the table setting for an informal setting. I am hoping that informal and semi-formal are pretty much the same. And now I'm going to do a panoramic view of the table. As I walk around, you can see each of the 4 settings, complete with the water glass, wine glass, the knife, spoons, the plate with the rose napkin fold, which I just love that. It's going to be one of my favorites, and it's so simple to do. And again, I am showing a panoramic view of the table, and now a full view of the table, and that concludes my demonstration.